I'm Teresa Jansen, and I am very excited to give you a special announcement. I have just received my copy of Life Repurposed, Stories of Grace, Hope, and Restored Faith. Just arrived all the way from the United States to my home in South Sudan. A friend brought it to me. It is available for international shipping in many, many countries, but unfortunately not South Sudan. So I had it shipped to a friend who carried it in her suitcase, and it just arrived today. I am so excited to share this with you. So Life Repurposed consists of 34 stories of women sharing their story of how God has restored, redeemed, and brought hope back to their life after some type of a challenge. The stories are all very unique, very different, but all have God's redeeming grace throughout them. So my story can be found on page 57, but don't jump there. You'll want to make sure you catch every story in this book. Page 57, and it's called Requalified by Grace. The whole book is just beautifully done with wonderful artwork throughout. And I'm very excited to be part of such a quality and wonderful, inspiring anthology of stories. So I'm just wondering if you're in a place in your life right now where you have experienced God's amazing grace as He has repurposed your life, or maybe you're looking for some of that hope and know that you need to be repurposed. Well, now is the time to begin. Don't wait. You don't have to wait until you have it all together. Begin now. Begin anywhere, and let God repurpose your life. Send me a message if you would like to. I would love to hear from you and hear your story. Beginning now, I'll be uploading a series of interviews from other authors in the book who will share a glimpse into their life, what brought them to be part of this anthology. And I'm starting that series with an interview with Michelle Rayburn, the editor of Life Repurposed. And so you won't want to miss a single episode of Drawn Onward, either on podcast or on YouTube. So make sure you click subscribe and make plans to join us on April 12th for the all-day launch party on Facebook. Drawn Onward is more than an amazing palindrome. It's a production of TeresaJansen.com.